My name is Patrice McLeod, and I work in accounting. I'm an accounting specialist, and I work in projects.
How would you describe your experience thus far?
I really like working at Jensen. I love the atmosphere, the people, so I like it.
What accomplishments in your work bring you a sense of pride?
The proudest about my job is because I believe from the time of the pandemic, it affected a lot of the hospitality industry, which is laundry, healthcare, all of those things. And so I love being in a field where it is help to others. And, most people wouldn't think that laundry is help to others, but it is, so I really love the industry. And I also had a love for numbers before coming into Jensen USA. And so getting the position in accounting, I believe really just spoke to who I am.
How is your day-to-day at work?
Well, for the most part, we manage all of the projects that come into the USA. And of course, going out, we manage the finance of those. I also work with the freight, the incoming and outgoing freight. I work with Concur, which is a system that approves all of the expenses of the other employees and things of that nature. So my day-to-day is numbers.
Can you say a few words about the company culture at Jensen USA?
I like the culture of the company, one, because it's intimate. It's more than a few, but it's also an intimate setting. Very friendly, easy to speak to other people, even from other departments. And so I believe the culture here is growing even more, and I'm excited about that.